For payers, Myndshft works as a clinical decision support tool to automate and expedite the adjudication of prior authorizations. Here, all prior authorization requests received are listed alongside relevant information, like the patient and provider names, submission date, policy ID, and procedure codes. Here in our on-screen example, a member of your utilization management team would have to correctly identify and then thoroughly review the appropriate medical policy for lumbar spinal surgery. As you can see, the 27-page policy identifies lumbar decompression as one of the requirements for the approval of lumbar spinal surgery, including the patient needing to meet one of several additional criteria. But Myndshft has done all the work for us, automatically identifying that the submitted procedure code 63030 is attached to the payer's lumbar spinal surgery policy. Not only that, but in reviewing the information submitted, Myndshft determines in real time if the prior authorization request has met the guidelines. Here, Myndshft has recommended the user approve the authorization request. To reinforce Myndshft's recommendation, the patient's condition code G83.4 or cauda equina syndrome is highlighted alongside the policy criteria, giving the user confidence that Myndshft is making the most appropriate recommendation possible. Over time, and as users interact with Myndshft to accept or reject the recommendations given, system administrators can even set policy procedure combinations with high rates of acceptance to automatically approve without requiring any human intervention.